Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to change the color theme in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome. And so, you want to go and change and customize the colors and color theme. We're going to guide you through how this can be done because right now it's just the standard gray and white, but what we can do is go and change it up and make it look way nicer and aesthetic. So, there are different combinations you can use as well. So, make sure it's a full guide step by step, and you're going to go and know how. Let's go and get right into this. So, to go and get started, go to the top of Chrome and go over to the left. We're going to go and open up a new tab. So just go and press that new tab plus. Now, what you need to do is go and head to the bottom right of Chrome. There you go, see the option for customizing Chrome. It's got this little pen icon. You want to go and click on it. Now you can go and see the appearance at the top. You can go and press change theme here and see the different themes. And to go and change the color combination, you can switch between light, dark, and device. I'll use light. And you can then go and click on these different themes, as you can see. So there are loads to go and choose from. And you can even go and do a custom color as well. So choose a combination you like, and that's it. Then I can go and close it in the top right here. And it will go and stay like that. And we can go and use Chrome.